Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have an exciting lesson about everyday vocabulary. We'll be learning words related to food, family, and places around the house. These are important words to know for talking about your daily life. So, let's dive right in. Section 1. Common food items. We all eat food every day. So, let's learn some basic food words in English. Apple, banana, bread, water, coffee. Some examples: I like to eat an apple. I drink water every day. My favorite fruit is a banana. I have bread for breakfast. I love coffee in the morning. Now it's your turn. Look at these pictures and try to make sentences using these food words. For example, I like to eat. I like to eat avocado. Second one, I drink. Every day. I drink tea every day. Section 2. Family members. Next, let's talk about family. These words will help you introduce your family members in English. Mother, father, brother, sister, grandmother, grandfather. Example sentences: I have one brother and one sister. My father is a doctor. My grandmother loves to tell stories. This is my grandfather. Let's practice together. Use these sentences to talk about your family. This is my. This is my father. I have brothers and sisters. I have 2 brothers and 3 sisters. My is a. My mother is a teacher. Section 3. Places around the house. Now, let's learn some words for places around the house. These will help you describe where things are in your home. Kitchen, bedroom, living room. Example sentences: the kitchen is where I cook. I sleep in my bedroom. We watch TV in the living room. Great job, everyone! Today, we learned about food, family, and places around the house. These are important words for talking about your everyday life in English. Keep practicing, and soon these words will be easy for you to remember. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment with your practice sentences. See you next time!